Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12 midday. Right now you're taking a look at the satellite radar picture where we're just seeing a few light showers in Klamath County and in Lake County. We will have a little bit more a little bit later today. We'll go ahead and put this into motion, and you can see as we rotate this through the evening, we could have a few more showers for Klamath and Lake counties, but nothing too widespread. I think all in all, it's just going to be some very light showers for Klamath and Lake counties. But elsewhere, plenty of sunshine, although we will have more haze today as opposed to yesterday, just because the winds are shifting out of the north and east. And so that is putting light haze across most of the region, although the thickest smoke will be downwind of some of the more active fires in the region. So downwind of the Morgan fire, downwind of this SRF in Redwood Lightning Complex, and then downwind of the Anvil fire. That's where we'll see some of the thickest smoke. And then it gets a little bit more interesting as we head into tomorrow, because winds will shift out of the south and west, and that will bring a lot of thick smoke into portions of the Shasta Valley, the Illinois Valley, and the Rogue Valley. Now, the million-dollar question is, when does this actually get to those particular locations? Because if it arrives before 7 p.m., well, that's about the time that a lot of local games are going to kick off, local high school football games. If the smoke ends up being this bad, then some of those kickoffs could be in jeopardy. So we'll keep a very close eye on that. Here's today's hiking planner for the Rogue Valley, and it's going to be a great day to go on a hike. Yes, there will be a little bit of a light haze up in the sky, but high temperatures are going to feel excellent. Very fall-like. Will be about 10 degrees below average for this time of the year, which means we're going to be in the middle 50s to low 60s to the east of the Cascades, low to middle 70s for our west side valleys, and near 70 along the coast in Curry County. And again, winds will shift today, gusting out of the north and northwest between 20 to 30, maybe even 35 miles per hour along the coast. And then for tonight, we'll continue to see mostly clear skies to the west of the Cascades, but like you saw in the Stormcast, we'll also start to clear out to the east of the Cascades. Overnight lows will be even cooler compared to what we had for this morning, as we'll be in the mid to upper 20s to the east of the Cascades, middle 40s for our west side valleys, and low 50s along the coast in Curry County. And the smoke distribution, like you saw in the smoke forecast, should stay the same for tonight, but changing into tomorrow. We will get a little bit warmer into Friday and then starting to trend cooler into Saturday and Sunday. And that's not just a fluke. That's a legitimate trend in the next week. We'll be about 15 degrees below average by the time we get to Monday and Tuesday. And that's because we have an actual atmospheric river that's going to impact us for Monday and Tuesday. Yes, we'll have some increasing rain chances for Saturday along the coast, and then on Sunday it'll be for the west side, but then widespread rain and soaking rain at that for Monday and Tuesday. So this is definitely going to help us out when it comes to fire weather impacts. They're elevated for now, but dropping down to limited starting on Monday. And it looks like they're going to stay that way for the foreseeable future. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. We're going to continue to deal with some haze downwind of the Anvil fire in Curry County, but then hopefully, fingers crossed, that a lot of this rain is going to fall directly on top of the Anvil fire starting on Saturday. And so hopefully we can get some more containment because of that. Also, fingers crossed that it'll help out with the smoke. Then for Siskiyou County, we'll see some light haze over the next couple of days. You know, a lot of this really is incumbent on the rain. The rain looking like it's going to start for Siskiyou County on Sunday, for the Klamath Basin maybe on Monday, although we do have that chance for some showers and even some thunderstorms for today. And then for the mountains, also that chance for showers and thunderstorms today, but then a better chance for Sunday. And then for the Rogue Valley, it's also looking like on Sunday is when the wetter and cooler weather is going to start, but then more substantial rain, even some thunderstorm chances for Monday and Tuesday, just given that atmospheric river moving further and further inland.
All right, thank you, Josh. And do you think maybe the fires could get a little bit worse before they get better because of the breezes we're going to be seeing?
Yeah, they're definitely going to get worse before they get better. I mean, the cooler temperatures help out, but we already saw just yesterday with the winds, the way that the fires have responded for today. We'll go through that for a couple more days, but then the whole game gets changed starting next week.
All right, we'll keep an eye on for that. Thank you. Appreciate it.